I thought we were going to Utopia.
What makes you say this isn't Utopia?
I mean, I don't know. Isn't it supposed to be some perfect destination? This is just your hotel room.
Yeah, it looks perfect to me.
It's not electric, this shit gassed up, can you catch it? The Virgin jet ski 10150, check the leverage. Got two twins, they top tier, that's my favorite. Deep in the throat till she tear, I'm a favorite beverage. Hey twin, call her twin, tell her I'm in town now. London, she wanna lick, she dropped up in the pound town. When she walk, it got us on surround sound. And she tryna ride me like a wave, I'm a drown. She sing, highway moving right behind me a fleet. If she get too annoying, find a beach. Twin, topping off a jet ski.